The name of Unit 1 is Data Handling using Pandas and Data Visualization. Now, first of all, let us see what are Python libraries. See, Python library is a collection of functions and methods that allows you to perform many actions without writing complex code. For example, Python Imaging Library, in short PIL. It is one of the core libraries for image manipulation. And we are going to use NumPy and Pandas library also. NumPy library provides mathematical functions, scientific functions, etc. Pandas provide data manipulation and analysis. Matplotlib library is used for data analysis like creating charts, bar graphs, pie charts, etc. Each library in Python contains a huge number of useful modules that we can import for our programming. For example, import numpy as np is the statement to import numpy library. Now, these are some features of Python Pandas. Pandas stands for Python Data Analysis Library. This name is derived from the term panel data. PANDA. So this is panel data, a term for multi-dimensional structured data sets. It takes data from CSV files. CSV means comma separated value, SQL databases, etc., and creates a Python object having rows and columns just like uh, Excel spreadsheet. And these are known as data frames. It makes data science or data analysis very easy and effective. Python Pandas provide high-level data manipulation tool and developed by Wes McKinney. Today, the need for data analytics arises to handle huge data, which is an area of concern for large business organizations like Airtel, government bodies, communities, and consumers. For example, uh, crores of people are getting vaccinated. So all the data related to that has to be analyzed time to time. So there is a need to handle huge amount of data. So for this we have Python. Data processing is an important part of analyzing the data because data is not always available in desired format. Let us see this data life cycle. First, we collect data from various sources and that data gets stored somewhere that is called data warehouse. From data warehouse, data is taken as input and analyzed. After analysis, we get some output in the form of charts or graphs, which can be understood easily. This is called data visualization. This is also a part of your syllabus. So let us go through these points. First point, data is stored in different formats like CSV, Excel file, HTML file, etc. This data is transformed or converted into a single format and stored somewhere in a data warehouse. Once stored, we can perform certain analysis on it. That is, we can perform join operation, merge operation, search operations, etc. After this step, we can plot this data in the desired form or in the form of graph, which is called data visualization. All these sequences of operations for data analysis can be easily and effectively performed by Python and its libraries. So that is why we are going to learn Python pandas. Now I think in 11th standard you might have already installed pandas. Still, I am going to tell you some steps. If it is not installed, you can install it by following these steps. It does not come bundled with standard Python, so it has to be installed separately using pip command. Just see how we can do this. So step number 1 is open cmd prompt or command prompt and run as administrator as shown below. Just type cmd at the bottom. See here. And click here, command prompt. You will see a black screen after that. So this is your command prompt. Now what you have to do, you have to go inside. See at the bottom, I'm using yellow color. You have to go inside scripts folder of Python. For that, what you need to do, you need to provide some commands. You need to apply some commands. We will discuss it one by one. See, all these commands are being underlined already. First write cd backslash so that you can go to directly root directory, C drive. Then type cd users. cd stands for change directory. Then type cd username. Here a username has been taken as Preeti. After this you will come inside this Preeti folder. Then cd app data. Then cd local. Then cd programs. Then cd python. Then cd python 37-32. And then at the last cd scripts. Now you are inside the cd scripts. Your cursor will blink here. Now we are ready to start installation. Just type pip install pandas inside scripts directory or scripts folder. Directory or folder is the same thing. Then after this, installation will get start and you will see something like this. Do not go into details. After few seconds, your installation will get completed. Now we have to check whether Python is working or not. So for this, start your Python shell or just type Python ideally in search box and click there. You will see this type of environment. Python shell. Just type import pandas as pd and press enter. It will take some time, few seconds. After pressing enter, the cursor starts blinking in front of Python shell prompt as shown with the red arrow, which indicates that Python has been installed. Similarly, you can check for all other libraries also, like import numpy as np. So with this installation, today's lecture is finished. In the next episode, we will start learning how to create series programs. For now, thank you.